Hi, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to follow someone on Roblox. The first thing you have to do is to open your Roblox, tap on the search option found at the top corner of the screen, type in the username that you want to follow. From here, all you have to do is to click on the particular user name that you want to follow. Scroll, click on view full profile. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the three dots close to add connection and click on follow. So guys, that is it on how to follow someone on Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.